Hello, in this video we will go over how to create groups and set up group discussion boards. To begin, scroll down in your course site, go to Users and Groups, and then Groups. You can create individual groups using the single group options to either have students self-enroll in the groups or put students in them manually, or you can create group sets if you need multiple groups and you know how many you'll need up front. I'll do manual enroll group sets. So here I'll be able to create groups and choose who goes into which one. So I'll call these my discussion groups. I'll scroll down a bit and it's going to ask me what tools I want available to these groups. So there are several tools here, but I really just want the discussion boards. So I'm going to uncheck everything except discussions. I'll scroll down some more and I'm going to say I need 5 groups here. So I'll type 5 into this box and then click submit. Now it's going to let me change the names of each group if I'd like to in the name fields, and I can use the Add Users button to pick who I'd like to have in each group. So here I'll check off the student and I'm going to click Submit, and I can see here they've been put into that group. And I can continue to do that using the Add Users button down the page underneath the other groups. I'm going to click Submit, and now my group has been created with people in them. Now that my group has been created, I can click on the name of the group and then click into Group Discussion Board, and here I'll be in the Group Discussions area for this group. There's one discussion that's been created by default for every group, and you can click the down arrow and edit it to change the name and directions. If you need to have additional group discussion activities, you can use the Create Forum button to make additional group discussions for this group. If you plan to have multiple group discussions, keep in mind that you will need to go to each group discussion board and create the forum every time in each one. So if you had a group discussion every week, you'd have to go visit each of these group areas and create one forum per group. So that would mean 5 forums created per week underneath each group. You can't create them once and have it show up everywhere. You have to go into each group and create them every time. Now, if you want to add a link to the group discussion in your content area, you would come to your content area, go to Tools, and then choose Groups. Choose Link to a Group or Group Set, and now I'm going to choose the Discussion Groups group set that I created. Now I can click Next, and this is the link students can use to access their group discussion. Once I provide a text description for the link and click Submit, the link will show up on the page for them to click and access their group discussions area. Now here's how it will look on their end. They'll come into the area you added the link to, click on the link, they'll click on Group Discussion Board, and then they'll see the group discussion that you've created for them. They'll be able to click into there, create their threads, and participate with their group members.